For now, I want you to understand that a really pretty, super cool wreath doesn't have to take a long time. But for now, we're just going to do the anchor. And it's going to be super simple. This little guy, I used them in a garland and I never secured it in. So I took them out and we're going to use this tonight, but I don't have the SKU number. I do know, however, they were from the At Home store. So there's that. So we have one of these and I'm going to pair it with a 60919. Look at how quick that just was. Right? That's all. That's all. We're going to take a zip tie here. I am Melissa from Sincerely Creative Mom. You're finding me live on the How to Make Wreaths group at the moment. I am a coach with a Deco Exchange group for the creative coaching group. This is my favorite kind of go-to. I'm going to cut those long stems off because we don't need them that long. Form that a little bit. Oh, yeah. Adorable. We're going to do the same thing with this one. Curl these famous 60919 on the ends there. Take this and put it right on top. I'm just wiggling these in together. I'm bringing that big old leaf to the back so it's not hiding all my fun stuff. Look at how pretty that came together. So easy. Actually, I gotta take them apart so I can get them in there. Just gonna bend this a little bit more. And watch me. I'm going to go right through all that. I'm going to try to go right through all of it. Come on, right all the way in. And I'm going to grab it on the other side. I'm going to secure it just like that. There, it's not going anywhere. And I'm going to slide this one in. I kind of curved it a little bit. Gave it a little curvy curve. And I'm going to bring it right in. So I don't want to, usually when I do this kind of style, I leave a nice gap there for a nice big bow. But we got a little anchor. The anchor is little. Okay, so we want to kind of bring that in as much as we can. Which means I'm going to try to go like right up through here to do my first attach. I don't know what word I'm looking for there. All right, I don't think that's gonna... I haven't used any glue so far, and I don't really intend to use glue. Cut the rest of that one off. All right, I'm just gonna, this little part right here is gonna kind of stick out, which I normally don't trim these, but the way it's just landing, it's gonna end up kind of sticking out in a weird, funky way. So I'm just gonna take those off there. Let's see. I'll do this one too. There we go. I'm gonna make this just real little. I'm gonna make one up. I don't need to make it too big because we got just a little spot here. And I'm trying to make it just a little something, not a lot. too small then? No, this one's okay. I'm gonna cut that one off down there. I'll leave that nice full anchor on. See how that goes. Cute. I don't know how this matched so well, but it did. Hold on, I'm sorry, I'm stepped away from looking at the comments for a second. I'm just doing one loop on each side. So we're doing little, tiny. This grapevine is a 14-inch. I'm gonna try this for the first time. I really should fix my easy bow maker, and so I can use that, right? Look at how cute that's gonna be. Adorable. And I think I might just do one loop. One little loop in the center because I like that other. Right. See, that's gonna be super cute. Nothing big, nothing crazy. I'm gonna try to find this. This is also gonna be the hardest part. Of course, it always is. Oh, that went in good. This is gonna hide our guts right in there. Perfection. Just a little tiny bow. That's all it needed. All right. All right, I'm just going to take some pipe cleaner here and go right into the back. We obviously don't have to beef it up any because it's thick there, plenty thick. Because that rope is definitely on there pretty good. I'll do that there. I'll do one down here. Right. This is always the worst part. Easy breezy.